Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. You guessed it, you saw it, a little preview. We're going to install the WIDEMAXX kit on the Xmaxx. First of all, you take the wheels off. That's the most important thing. Then you take the shocks off. When you take the shocks off, you have to put new oil in there. Traxxas suggests it's 40 weight, but I'm going to put a little bit more in there. I'm going to start with 700 CST and then we'll see how it works. So this is the difference between the drive shafts. You need to get that out of there, that pin. Take everything out. This, you won't be needing this anymore. So I scuffed it up with a little bit of sandpaper. Then you put it in there like this. You put your other thingy over there, and then you put this one in there. Voila, and it's done. So this side is fit on there, and you can already see the difference between the stands. So the rear is done. I fitted 700 CST in there. I put the blue springs on there that came with the kit. It feels solid. I have 17 millimeters, I think, gap here. And this is the rear, of course, and this is the front. So you can see the difference. And boom, this is installed. So we're going to see how it drives.